We got a fun package from Zips earmuffs. So these, a lot of times, like you use the earmuffs when like there's fireworks or loud noises. And they reached out to me to send me some, which I thought was perfect because little Lee always makes like the loudest noises and it annoys Vivian. So I figured these would be perfect for her. So let's open it. You wanna open it, baby?
Yeah.
Okay. I love that they're sized for kids. Ooh, I think these ones are for you, baby. They say loud events or noisy siblings. Right up our alley. So these ones are the ages 0 to 4. Vivian's almost 4, so these should fit her really good.
Mommy.
Ooh, I think these ones are for Bubby.
This is one for you.
This one's for you. You want to try them?
Yeah.
Okay. And they're adjustable. Look. They're so cute. Can you hear me?
Yeah.
Yeah. Am I really loud or is it far away?
Probably.
So you can, listen, you can wear these when Bubby's being really loud.
Yeah.
You can put these in, it'll help your ears.
Yeah.
Okay?
Mommy.
What is it?
It's
What's on there?
dinosaurs.
And the cool part is they have interchangeable shells, so you could buy the packs separately. So we got the dinosaur. Which ones are those?
Unicorn.
Unicorns. So we have the dino ones for Bubby and show yours. And then the unicorn ones for her, which is literally right up her alley. So what you'll do is you could swap them whenever like colors they're feeling, or simply they just want to change them up. All right, let's see, baby. It comes right off.
Oh,
They're
yeah.
actually magnetic right now, so they just like go right
Mommy.
on.